in a life as a president in the Philippines.
Tag on the way.
Good morning, Madam President.
What's our meeting all about?
Madam President, daghan nga reklamo sa demolition.
Unsa man atong buhaton sa mga balay nga gidemolish?
We need an action right now.
I already have something in mind, Mr. Baha and Tibao. We shouldn't let our people suffer. So right now, meeting adjourned.
Thank you, ma'am.
I am the Madam President. Of course, every minute, every hour, mutabang kus katauhan.
I am the Secretary of Madam President. Of course, magpaperma ko niya for me.
We are a Filipino citizens. Of course, magtinabangay may permi.
Unsa kay boto sa to presidente karon no? Unsa kay action no?
Good morning, Madam President.
Good morning. What event did happen?
Nagibagyo lagi mo?
I bring many school supplies for your students.
Oh, thank you. Can you come in? Suda lagi mo, kaya matangtang ato sa Tanaban National High School.
Kaya na ugma, kaya ko ipaari sa akong mga taw-taw para na masilungan ang estudyante.
Masayo mas maayo.
Sige, adto sa ko kay na pa ko meeting karong taon-taon.
Salamat, ma'am.
Mga tao.
Salamat, ma'am.
President,
Good morning, nasusunod ang relief goods.
thank you, Madam.
Good morning, Madam President.
Good morning, nasusunod ang relief goods.
Thank you, Madam.
Morning, Madam President.
Uy, welcome. Good morning.
Ano ni mo? Gwapo kayo ka.
Nasusunod ang relief goods.
Thank you.
Sip ni mo eh. Good morning, madam.
Uy, welcome. Nasusunod ang relief goods.
Abisala, madam. You're so pretty. Pagli, bayot. Good morning, madam.
Good morning, nasusunod ang relief goods.
Thank you, madam. Nakay palsada, madam. Basig patabang ka.
Nasusunod ang relief goods.
Okay, na.
President, what is it?
Your signature is needed by now.
Okay, let me have this one. I will submit this later na lang. Okay. Leadership is not about being fearless. It's about being brave.
Minsan ay natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa.
We are a Filipino citizens, of course, magtinabangay may permi.
Hindi hadlang ang kahirapan sa matagumpay ng kinabukasan.
Don't let anyone silence you.
Speak your truth.
Serbisyo sa usapang presidente, serbisyo sa lider.
Isip usa ka presidente, muagapay mo amuma sa katawhan.
Being in a position is not an achievement.
It's our responsibility.
Wait,
Kans lagi.
ay chickens day. Ingon way chickens.
So right now,
Madam President.
Don't let anyone silence your truth. Oh.